I just need like a little bit more.
Are you okay? Oh my gosh, what are you thinking? Hi everyone, it's Everleigh. Welcome back to my channel, and today what we are doing, we're making slime, but not just normal slime. We are making slime with cookie dough. And with actually dough, like that gets cake in. We're doing it with my dad!
Woo! Daddy versus daughter slime making competition.
And we're gonna do, your guys are gonna see that.
You're making this chocolate chunk cookie dough slime, and then I'm gonna be making cake slime.
So first you do the glue.
The glue?
Yeah.
Looks like someone's throwing up.
Okay, that's good.
Look at mine. What's that?
And take the lid off. It's shaking.
You might want to shake it first. Shake it, give it a good shake. Why are you putting shaving cream in it? What's that gonna make it do?
It's gonna make it like turn fluffy.
Oh, fluffy.
It's so fluffy! You can hold it down.
Oh.
That, I'm not.
Yours already done?
No! You need to
That's not slime.
keep stirring it, and then you can put your color. And then you can put that.
What color are you doing?
I'm doing a blue.
Oh, blue?
Yeah, and you're doing orange.
Yeah, it actually says Georgia peach.
And then you use this.
That makes it turn into actual
Yeah,
slime, right?
or you can use other thing, but we just got that, so we're gonna use that.
Alright, so here we go. Oh, look, yuck, I did get blue on my hands.
Yes.
Oh.
Stop
Sorry,
it.
I'm just joking. Ooh, that's kind of like chunky.
Ew.
Ugh. Good start.
Stir, stir, stir.
Okay, you're gonna pour yours?
Yeah, I'm gonna pour mine.
Okay, yeah, you're doing all of yours. I'm not helping on this one.
Yes, you're not helping me.
Oh, yeah.
Ready? Wow.
Is it already? It's cool how fast it works. It's already making it. Whoa, how chunky. Let's see if it does that to mine. Whoa, it happens so fast. We've made slime a lot before, guys, and whenever we put our hands in, it gets a disaster because you put your hands in and your face itches, but you can't scratch your face because you have slime all over your face. And then my hair.
Let's just do it, Dad.
You want to? Okay. If you want to do it, then you have to do it. But hey, with no screaming or complaining, saying, "Oh, my hand!" Because every time that we've done it, everybody's like, "Oh, I need to wash my hands off." It's like, well, why'd you put your hands in it? You want me to pour
No,
it?
I can do it.
Okay, you don't want me helping you at all?
No.
Alright, jeez.
This table's gonna turn actually.
This part takes a little while. This is the long part to get it turned over like a slime. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open up my cake mix, so I don't want to have to open up the boxes while my hands have slime all over them. Should I do chocolate cake mix or vanilla cake mix? Which one?
I think chocolate would be better.
You think chocolate would be better? It's gonna be kind of cool because it's just powder, so I don't know what that's gonna do to the slime. Yeah, I can do it.
Yeah, so I'm gonna keep stirring on because
Oh.
I wanna eat one!
Oh my gosh, that was so good. I think I want to eat one too.
Yeah. No, this is mine.
Oh, yeah, come on, can I just have one piece?
No.
Yeah, you have 12 pieces.
This is mine.
Please, just one.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
You'll be the best daughter in the world.
No.
I'll give you some of my cake.
No.
It tastes good.
No.
You're not gonna eat that many.
I'll give you one after the video.
I got one! Oh, I don't know. Yours turned out pretty good.
It might be white after. Or blue, I don't know.
Oh, it's starting to get messy. Okay, I think I'm about to go hands in. Ready? 3, 2. Oh, it's sticky.
It's really, mine's so sticky. It's actually turning good. It's actually turning
I think yours looks better than mine. Oh, show them yours. You can't pull yours out. It's like almost already slime. You just gotta squish it in more. You probably don't need any more of
No, I don't need any more.
I need a little more because mine's still kind of messy, so I'm gonna use a little more.
I need to get all this.
Just
Well, it's
squish
not
it.
really sticky. It's just like a watery.
Mine's sticky. Mine needs some work. But I'm pretty confident because I'm a professional slime maker, so.
No, I'm actually the professional.
Well, you're like.
I went to professional preschool slime.
Well, I want
Like
the professional
really-
college slime.
Well, you know what? Next year, I want you to pay for all my money to go to slime school and slime college.
Slime school instead of real school?
Yeah.
Whoa. Would you rather go to real school and learn about like numbers and letters, or would you rather go to slime school and just make slime all day?
Slime school.
Really? You guys comment down below if you'd rather go to real school or slime school.
And give this video a million thumbs up.
Mine's starting to sound pretty good too, look.
I think mine's really good. It doesn't stick anymore.
Yours is good.
Mine's good. I'm all done.
Not yet. You gotta keep squishing until it turns perfect. It's good, but it's not perfect yet.
It's all good.
Ugh.
Squish, squish, squish.
Mine's...
Yours is bad. I win this round.
Hold on, I'm not done yet. Oh. Can you do that with yours?
No, it's not that stretchy, but it is.
So is mine better than mine stretchy?
No.
Who do you think is better?
Mine's bigger than yours.
Yeah, but can hers do this, guys? Watch this. Oh, and then bow.
Birdie.
Almost. Watch this.
Ew! Yeah, I can do that.
Whoa. That's pretty cool. Wow.
Wait,
Oh no! Oh
mine's all
no!
good.
I just need like a little bit more.
Are you okay? Oh my gosh, what are you thinking?
I don't know. I didn't have the bowl, so I just I'm gonna try and wrap it up. Mine was
Mine's the
it
best.
was too sticky, so I needed a
Mine's
little bit
the
more.
best. I don't know what you added here, but mine's the best.
We'll see about that.
It's like a bounce ball.
Yeah, but you haven't even put the cookie dough in it yet.
I don't want to put the cookie dough in. This is actually really good. Mine doesn't stick at all.
I know, yours turned out better than mine did, really.
And guys, Grace is my dance friend. She's sleeping over today.
Have her sleep overnight, right? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so now the moment that you guys have all been waiting for. She is going to put
Cookie dough in mine.
cookie dough in yours. What's it gonna do to it, you think? Jeez.
Well, it's like a bouncing ball. Ready?
Kinda. I see mine bounces. Let's see.
Wait, can I squish yours? Can I
Mine didn't
squish
bounce at
yours?
all.
Oh my god! Guys,
Yours is better, mine or yours? Let me feel yours. Oh, yours pops up. Let's add the ingredients. I'm gonna spread mine out like this.
yeah, I'm gonna. Oh my gosh, your spreads.
Yeah,
Mine doesn't spread.
I'm gonna spread mine out. And now it's time for the cake batter.
Okay, now it's time for my cookie dough.
Here we go.
No!
Just put the whole ball in. Just put the whole ball. And then put another whole ball in. Put like two
What
balls.
the? 2 balls?
Yeah, and I'm just gonna put
Okay, now I'm gonna squish it.
all my cake
Now
powder.
squish it.
What the heck? Yeah, now squish it in there. See what happens. What the heck?
Still normal.
It's still normal?
Yeah, it's still normal.
What do you think is gonna happen whenever I get all my cake powder in
Can I
there?
help you? Can I help you? Well, I'm gonna eat one of mine.
What the heck? It's not even sticking to it. Oh. Oh. Ugh. I'm bringing it in. The cake powder just made it really sticky and not that good.
Wanna feel mine?
Oh.
Wanna feel? Dad!
Whoa. You need to go show the camera that. This is how mine turned out with the
And
cake.
this is how mine turned out.
Oh, that looks so cool. That looks like the Cookie Monster.
I know.
Doesn't it?
It's like this is monsters.
Yeah, cookies. Ugh. Ugh. Mine got bad. Yeah, mine's sticky now and nasty.
So, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up.
Or
and
small thumbs up.
Oh.
No.
100 thumbs up, please.
Okay.
And it can be small, whatever you want, you can do it. And please give us 100 thumbs up. And then we'll shout you out. So today's, do you have your phone?
No.
Okay, we're not doing shout outs today, but we might do shout outs the other video. So thanks for watching and see you and Tuesday?
Tuesday. See you
Yeah.
next Tuesday.
See you Tuesday. Peace out.